Connect AirPods to your Android device. We recommend your AirPods case is charged. Before you connect, place your AirPods in their case. In your Android device, from the top of the screen, swipe down. Touch and hold Bluetooth. Go to Settings. Turn on Bluetooth. Then tap Pair New Device. Open the lid of your AirPods case. In your AirPods case, press and hold the button of the back until the device flashes or a white light on the front or inside in your device, and your AirPods show up under Available Device. If you don't find your AirPods, check under Available Device or tap More and then refresh. If you have a question related to Android, click the blue link to reach out Android Forum.